So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses for sale here on Redfin. So once you open up Redfin, just go ahead and press your location or add your location. So I'll just use Scottsdale for this example. Now, if you're only looking for specifically houses, so a single family house, not a condo, not a townhouse, whatever the case may be, it's super simple. So for example, if you wanted to go to price right here and you wanted to edit that, so between 350 and I don't know, 1.5 mil, why not? But where it says beds, bath right here, if I were to go ahead and just do a 4 bedroom place, this could mean a lot of different things. This could mean condos, whatever. So go where it says home type right here, make sure that house is selected and is the only one selected, then go ahead and press on done, and then your search will be refined to only houses that are for sale. So if you were to go ahead and go to filters right here, you can do it the exact same way to where it says home type right here. Make sure that houses are selected, and then go ahead and press on done, and you can view home listings this way through the filter. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find houses for sale here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.